Yeah.
Yes, I know that.
How do you know which one of them is which?
One of the ponytails.
How do you know that?
Huey.
How do you know that?
I'm going back into dreamland now.
Okay.
Oh, you know what's really fun? Writing things between couples that have tails.
What?
Like she and Rin. They have tails.
Okay.
It's fun writing stuff between them.
Rin has a tail?
Yeah.
Huh.
Rin has a tail and so
I
does
did
she.
not know that.
Children,
I knew she did.
Children of Satan have tails.
Huh? Children of Satan?
Yes. Rin is...
You know, I have no idea about
I know.
anything from Blue Exorcist.
Rin is...
I want to read it.
Rin is Satan's bastard child.
Oh, that's nice.
That's what his adopted father tells him.
What?
That he points at him and he says, "You're the bastard child of Satan." He's like, "Thanks."
Who's the mother?
I don't know. I really don't know.
You know, bastard child pretty much means...
Fatherless.
Huh? No. Well, sort of.
Yes. Bastard means without a father. You need to find that picture on the internet.
What picture?
The picture for this magnet.
This picture?
Yes. And you need to send it to me. Via phone.
Via phone.
So I can save it. And put it as my background.
Via the internet? What is that from?
Via the internet, Victoria.
What were they saying?
You can email it to me via the internet.
Who was talking?
Jade.
Oh, yeah. No, wasn't it, No, it was Andre talking to Jade.
Yeah, but Jade said you can email it to me via the internet.
Oh. I could have sworn Andre said I can email it to you via the internet. Yeah, then Jade repeated it as she was walking down the hallway, but it was Andre who said it at first.
Oh well. I'm going back to fantasy.
Okay.